Hi guys, welcome back to Natural and Glamorous. If you're new around here, my name is Jamie and I talk about natural health, natural beauty, and natural homes. So today I'm going to be talking to you about homemade DIY elderberry syrup. And of course, 3 reasons why you really want to keep this stocked in your home. So in my family, I try to do stuff as naturally as possible and provide our family's bodies the support that they need to naturally fight off colds and flus and infection and things that we pick up. So what are elderberries? The first reason why you really want to have elderberry syrup stocked in your home, especially in the wintertime, is because elderberries provide a really rich source of natural antioxidants that help keep your body free of free radicals. The antioxidants literally fight off free radicals. Free radicals are really big immune system disruptors, and when we have an excess of free radicals, that is when we are most susceptible to illness and disease. The second reason you really want to have elderberry syrup in your home throughout the winter is because elderberries have been studied and traditionally used as a natural herbal remedy for colds and viruses and infection. So studies have shown that elderberries may offer virus-fighting, immune-stimulating, and anti-inflammatory effects. As soon as we feel like we have calmed down with something, we start taking a tablespoon of elderberry syrup every few hours, and it really does help bring us back above the wellness line so quickly. Now, the third reason you really want to make your own DIY elderberry syrup is it's so easy, as usual, with the theme of this entire DIY series. It is so much easier to make it yourself and to know exactly what is going in there and how fresh the syrup is. All you need is 3 ingredients. Okay, so let's get into it, and then I will take you into the kitchen and show you how easy it is to make elderberry syrup yourself. So first you need elderberries. Elderberries can be purchased online. They have them at all different great sources. I recommend finding a source that you really feel confident is 100% chemical free and fresh, because elderberries are only grown at a certain time every year, so you can't get them year long without them being compromised a little bit on the freshness. So these ones I got from actually the Spice Guy, which is out of Las Vegas, Nevada. The second ingredient that you'll need is some raw organic honey. It's really important to get raw honey because when the honey is cooked, most of the nutrients, if not all of them, are cooked out of the honey because of the heat used to cook. So what you're going to do is you're going to get raw honey, preferably locally, and then we're going to cook it up and we're going to add the honey after the elderberry syrup has cooled. And the third ingredient that you'll need, and this ingredient is actually completely optional, we add some Vitality essential oils from Young Living. Vitality oils are oils that are GRAS certified by the FDA, so that means generally regarded as safe for ingestion. They're actually labeled as a dietary supplement. Young Living essential oils is actually the only company that has this certification, and they are definitely the only ones that we would trust in our family to take internally. So at Young Living, they have a seed to seal process, which guarantees that they are in complete control of the whole entire process, from the picking of the soil and making sure there's no chemicals in the soil, to the picking of the seed and making sure it's a non-GMO seed, to the harvesting, the planting and harvesting of the actual plant, and how particular they are with making sure that the weeds are hand-picked and the pesticides that are used on the plants and in the farming process are actually natural essential oils and not chemicals, through a very vigorous and specific distilling process to maintain the integrity of the therapeutic property of the plant. So the plants are first of all chosen at a specific time to be harvested, and there are tests that are done on all Young Living plants to know when the exact harvesting time is. After it's harvested at the proper time, there is a whole complex process to the distilling of the plant to make sure that the therapeutic properties are upheld. So it is really important how that whole entire process is done, and it determines what you're getting inside of your essential oil. For a whole video on Young Living's seed to seal process, I will link that in the cards above. You guys can go check that out. It's a really cool video of all of the proper care that they put into making sure that you are just getting exactly what's on this bottle and all of the therapeutic properties are transferred over from the orange. So we're gonna add a few Vitality essential oils. I really just looked it up in my desk reference, my essential oil pocket reference, and from there I chose orange, nutmeg, clove, and I think I'm gonna put a little frankincense in there as well. Hi guys. Okay, so let's cook up the elderberry syrup. You're gonna be surprised, as usual, how easy this is. So first I just got a jar from Home Goods, and it's just a super cute jar that we can easily open up and pour into a cup, like a little shot glass or something, to take the elderberry syrup. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of elderberries, and these elderberries, oh my gosh, they smell so good. You can tell that they're completely fresh and they're just like so natural, and it's awesome. So we're gonna dump that into our pot. And then with the 2 cups of elderberries, we're gonna add 6 cups of water. So I'm gonna use filtered water. I do not have a filter on our water system in our house. We use this awesome alkaline water pitcher to make sure to alkalize our water and get all of the icky stuff out and put all of the good stuff in. Okay. So once you have 2 cups of elderberries and 6 cups of filtered water, you're just going to put it on the stove and boil it. And then after it boils, turn it down to a simmer. And you're going to simmer it for about an hour or until half of the liquid has evaporated. Enjoyed this video on how to make your own elderberry syrup. It is so easy and so nutritious. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and especially your mama friends who would love to see something like this. To grab my top 5 DIY recipes, you can head over to naturalandglamorous.com, and I will see you all next week with another natural wellness, lifestyle, or beauty tip.